Do you also get confused between the words which sounds same but their meaning is completely different? And yes, sometimes native speaker uses them a lot and and people like us get confused a lot. So if you are one of them, then hey my dear friends, today through this video I'll make it super easy for you. Yes, my name is Pragati Mishra and I'm from Uttar Pradesh. If you are watching me first time, then please welcome. And if you are watched me already in my any of video, then welcome back. Hey my dear friends, let's start this video. Beside, besides. They sound similar, but there is different letter, the letter S. Okay? So beside means next to, whereas besides means in addition to. Let's have an example. I'm sitting beside my brother, or I'm sitting beside this table. Or you can say the tree is beside my house. Okay, besides. Besides means in addition to. Example is besides study, I like to play football. So these are examples through which we can easily understand. Now let's move to the second groups of words, that is imminent, eminent, immanent. Okay. Eminent means well known, famous, respected. For example, is eminent personality, or you can say she is an eminent doctor, like this. Second word among these is imminent. Imminent means going to happen, sign of tension, danger, you can say. I shocked because my exam is imminent. Okay. Third word is immanent. Immanent means present within us, not outside. After traveling a lot, I realized that peace is immanent within us. Okay. So these three words, that is imminent, eminent, and immanent, sound same, but in actually they are not same. Hope you understand the difference. Now let's move to the third pair of groups, that is try and strive. Obviously with different meaning words and meanings, yet they sound similar. Try means attempt without full focus or strength, whereas strive means with full concentration with all your strength. Any attempt, so it's a decision where you are with full confidence that I will do this, because you are saying it with your all efforts. Let's have an example. Real winners don't try, they strive. So these are examples through which we can get an idea regarding these words meaning. Now let's move to the pair number 4, that is spatially and especially. Okay. Especially means when we are going to say for a particular things above all, then we have to use especially. Okay, let's have an example. I love traveling, especially to Dubai. Or you can say I love all the subject, especially English. Yeah. Now let's move to the word special. Special means specially with intention, saying for something, purpose for a single thing. That is, you can say that we bought cake specially for your birthday. You can say I'm going to Delhi specially for my son, like this. So especially and especially, these words should be clear in our mind with their meanings. Now let's move to our last pair, that is It's a group of words which sound same. Sympathy, empathy, apathy. And this is very common, used by almost everyone speaking English. Sympathy means you can say something that is feeling for someone. It means feeling for someone only. I failed my examination. Then my friend comes and advises me or sympathizes me like that. Don't worry, it will take time and all will good after then. It is a feeling of sympathy. But if someone comes and feels with me, feels for me, then it is sympathy. But feels with me, oh, I also failed in my previous examination, so I can feel you, and don't worry, it will obviously take time. It means that person is feeling with me. It's a feel. Then you can say here it's a empathy. If someone is feeling with you, it's a empathy, and if someone is feeling for you only, then it's sympathy. Now the last word is apathy. In this group, apathy means no feeling at all, without feeling. So this was some words in different groups which I had made clear for you. Then hey my dear friends, thank you. I am saying thanks to you because you had watched my video till now, and it means you are focusing on your growth also. So thanks for watching me, and we will meet in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.